How to fix private album not showing in gallery application. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up settings on a device. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on system and updates. Now tap on system and updates. Now go to software updates. Now from there check for your updates for your device. If any available, simply tap on update and install the update. Now once you're done, simply go back. Now tap on apps. Now go to app management. Now tap on the search bar and type photos. Now select your gallery. Now tap on force stop. Now go to storage uses and tap on clear cache. Now tap on clear data. Now tap on delete. Now restart your device. I hope this will fix it soon. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.